Hello guys, I'm Amit and in this video I will give you an overview about Indian financial system. Financial system plays an important role in the economic growth of a country. Financial system is like the human heart of the economy. As human heart pumps and regulates and channelizes the blood into the body, same way the financial system channelizes, regulates the funds or the money into, or the finance or the cash or the liquidity into the human body. What exactly financial system is? Financial system is a complex, well-integrated set of subsystems of financial instruments, financial institutions, financial markets and financial services, which facilitates the allocation and transfer of funds in an efficient and effective manner. In the most of the developing countries, the financial system is being divided into two parts, formal and informal. The coexistence of formal and informal sector of financial system is known as financial dualism. Formal financial sector is being characterized by the presence of organized, institutional and regulated system which caters the need of modern sphere of the economy. Informal financial sector is characterized by the presence of unorganized, non-institutional and unregulated system which caters the need of traditional and rural spheres of the economy. The main advantage of informal financial sector is the low transaction cost, and the disadvantages is higher interest rates, is unregulated and so on. The informal financial sector consists of money lenders, which are like neighbors or relatives or store owners or traders, etc. Formal financial sector is being regulated by Ministry of Finance or SEBI, IRDA, RBI and so on. There are many other regulators. Financial sector, formal financial sector is divided into four parts: financial institution, financial market, financial instrument and financial services. Financial institutions are the intermediaries which helps in mobilizing the savings and allocating the funds in an effective manner. Financial institutions are being divided into four parts: banking institution, non-banking institution, mutual funds and insurance and housing finance corporations or companies. Financial market is a mechanism which is used by the participants to deal in the financial claim. Financial markets are of two types: money market and capital market. Money market is for short-term securities, while capital market is for long-term securities. Money market and apart from money market and capital market, the financial market is being also divided into two parts: primary market and secondary market. Primary market deals in the new issues or new securities, while secondary market deals in existing or outstanding securities. Secondary market is also divided into two parts, that is OTC and exchange traded market. OTC means over the counter market. The main difference between OTC and exchange traded market is, in OTC, that is over the counter market, the spot trades are negotiated with immediate payment and delivery, while in exchange traded market the trading takes place as per the trading cycle of the exchange. Financial instruments. Financial instruments are a claim against a person or an institution for payment of certain amount of money at a future date or periodic payment of certain money in form of interest or dividend. Financial instruments are the things which helps the financial markets and financial institution to carry out the important task of channelizing the funds from lenders to borrowers. Financial services. Financial services are the certain types of services which helps in allocating the funds effectively and efficiently. Broadly, the financial services are being catered or speared around five things. First of all, borrowing and funding. Second, investing and lending. Third, buying and selling of securities. Fourth, making and enabling payments and a settlement. Fifth, making the risk exposure or measuring the risk exposure in the market. This is the whole view of financial system. So let me summarize the whole thing again. First of all, financial system is being divided into two parts: the formal part and the informal part. Formal part is regulated by Ministry of Finance, SEBI, IRDA, etc. And the formal part have four components. First of all, institution, which is banking, non-banking, mutual fund, insurance and housing corporation. Second part is financial market, which are being divided into two parts: capital and money market, and primary and secondary market. Third is the financial institutions, which are third is financial instruments, which are being divided as per two different criteria, as per term: short term, long term, medium term, and as per different types: primary and secondary. And financial services are varied types. It can be classified on fund based and non-fund based. And for better understanding, you may also download the PDF file, which is the link to download that PDF file is given into the description, which would be really helpful in understanding this concept. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you liked my video, and if there is any suggestions, views, you may comment it. I will be getting back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. AB out.